Hey everybody, welcome back to A Better Computer. My name is Matt, and today we're going to do a quick little video on Supercharge, which is an app I just recently made a video about, so I'm not going to go over everything this app does in this video, but I have a whole other video where I go through it in detail. I just wanted to talk about the new things that have been added since the last time we looked at it, because it's added quite a bit of functionality that I really enjoy and wanted to show off. So I'm just going to jump into the new stuff, link in the description to the old video. The app, just for clarity, costs like $6 or something. You can download it for free and try it out, and basically while you're using it for free, you can use it completely, but every 12 hours it's going to pester you to buy it, and there's no automatic updates, so you have to download it from the website every time. That's fine, we've paid for it. Let's go ahead and see some of the stuff it does. First things first, there's all the 3 notifications up here. I'd have to click the X on each one of these to get rid of them normally. Now with Supercharge, I can just create a keyboard shortcut that wipes them away for me. So everything visible will be dismissed. This is awesome. To set this up in Supercharge, just go to the settings, go to shortcuts, and there's a shortcut for clear visible notifications. Currently in beta, but it's been working great for me. The second thing, and we're going to go ahead and go to the Finder for this one. If I right click on this image, we're going to see all the normal Finder things, but there's a couple new things here. There's airdrop, copy path, copy file name, and the resolution. And so this has made it so that I can do these things very quickly. I don't have to go anywhere special. I don't have to do any keyboard shortcuts to do them. I can just do them right away. Open this up in AirDrop, awesome. If I wanted to copy the path, for example, if I needed this for something, no problem. Copy the path, and let's put that somewhere. Let's put that in a file. That I get to show you another new thing. So if I hit Option N, that creates a new text file in here, and we're going to call this path.md. Open, and now it actually automatically opened itself, and I can paste what I just copied in the last step. So /users Matt downloads supercharge.jpg. So that just proves that I was able to copy that to my clipboard. But what was cool here is that I was able to create a markdown file just from the Finder. That's not something you can normally do. So again, Option N creates the file. Sometimes it auto selects it, and you can just type in the name. We'll do XYZ or ZYX. .md as well. You can name the extension whatever you want, but it's opening in Visual Studio Code because that's where I have my markdown files open. How does this work? So if I go to settings and I go to my shortcuts I go to my tweaks, there is create a new text file with, and then you can either have it disabled, Option N, Option Shift N, Control Shift N. Option N works for me, I kind of like that. And then there's another sub option here for open file after naming. And if you do that, basically once you give that file a name, it's going to open it in whatever app. So I did Markdown for this, that's Visual Studio Code. If I did .txt, that would be text edit, I think, on my Mac or whatever you have. So easy way to make text files in the Finder without having to go to an app first. This next one I really like, so let's get rid of this window, and I have an app that I've downloaded in a DMG, and DMGs, if you understand them, I think they're pretty cool, they're really awesome, they're a really nice way to install an app, but a lot of people don't really get them, don't really manage them well. They like to keep the app in the DMG and run it from there, or they forget to get rid of it. It's a whole thing. So once I've downloaded an app with a DMG on macOS with Supercharge, if I open it up, it's going to open. Supercharge is going to notice that I just opened a DMG, and it's saying, hey, would you like me to install Alfred 5? It will move the app to the applications folder. It'll unmount and trash the DMG. Okay, go ahead and install it. Done. And Alfred is open. It also opens it up for you, I guess. So that is really nice. That makes the process of installing apps from a DMG just a little simpler, and if you're not used to it, this might be a nice quality of life thing. This is honestly something Apple should iterate on and make this a better process for people who are not used to the Mac. And finally, the last thing I want to show you is kind of an interesting one that I don't really get, and maybe you can let me know in the comments why you would want this. Basically, the setting is around the sound icon in the menu bar. So my system is muted and it's there, and keep your eye up there. If I raise the volume, it goes away. When I have volume, it does not show the icon, it hides it. But as soon as I get back to mute, it shows me it's muted. Why would I want this? This one is a total mystery to me. I don't understand this one. If you go into the app, go to settings, and down here at the bottom of the tweaks page, show sound menu bar icon only when muted. Why? I do not understand, but it's there. Just additionally, that DMG one we just did, that is also available under the experimental section under tweaks. By the time you're watching this, it's possible it's out of experimental and just works, but yeah, they've added some things since my initial video. Wanted to share them here today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.